office jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Jandil District ringkat ka chingatray lang bat ka office jong ka District School Education Officer East Jandil District menta kasingi kala pelong ye ki program bekerpang ha Cleariat West Community Hall ha kabala sam she ki khynnah school ye ki tablets tabs ki bala warning ba ka Chief Minister Students Digital Learning Scheme MLA Sutanga Saipong constituency ka kong Santa Mary Shilla baru MLA jong ka Cleariat uba Kermen Shilla kila longki kong san hagi program bala pia aki arbenta ya ki tablets la sam chi khynnah ki bapuli ha ka Kerdan Higher Secondary ki bana ki khatlai tili ki school ki badan ha East Jandil District kita ki arngot ki MLA na East Jandil District ki badai ki kongsan ha ki program kila kentu ya ki khynnah ba kem dei ban penan kam bakla ki ni ki tablets bala aisha ki Henry ki dei ban penan kam ya ki ha ka ba lum jing tip ban kentio shu ki jing nang jing start kila pen paru ka jing so ngu ban ai khuble ya ka sarkar jala ka bala shim ya ki sen jam ba pher ban kentio ya ka bha ka mya jong ki pai pa long shong shnong jong ka jala ha ka puli puthi ka kot ka khia bat ki we ki benta uba Kermen Shilla ula kran shapang ka jing tray shitom ki kimi ki pa ban penyo ya ka jing nang jing start ki khun ban sandor ya kala wei jong ki khun ki khti ban ukentu ya ki khynnah school ba kem dei ban pelena e ya ka lat ka kabu ba ki yo namar ka jing nang jing start ka long ka badan kam hado kata hakani ka jing sam ya ki tabs kila dan pras pa ngot ki khynnah ki bala yo ya ki tablets ki ba long kum ka jing pen ko bor ki khynnah ha ka pule puthi ka ba da ki bor ne kata ka digital learning but ha ki tablets ki la dan lu paru ki ki ba la upload ki ba ye dei bat ka jing pule jong ki khynnah ki ba pule ha ka Kerdan Higher Secondary School ki ba ha ka arts science but commerce ki bala ajing kran ha ka program bala pelong ha ka ni ka singi ki kentopru u Deputy Commissioner u Shivanj Awasti IAS, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Kakong JU Kharpuri, ka District School Education Officer, East Jandil District, Kakong ASM, ADC, Ba G Warjri, ya ka program la penya da ka Assistant Commissioner, Kakong F1.
I believe the tab is, we have enough tab to give all of them because I've seen many of you are here. So Lady M, you will do mention that the Deputy Commissioner will take care and all our officers are here. If any one of you miss, please let us know. We make sure each and every one of you who present here, you have your tab and make this tab. With this, you can make use of it and then with this, it will serve for your future. So with these few words, once again, I would like to thank the Chief Minister for his...
This tab will be much helpful to you. And you know these days, technology has grown so far. And recently I had been to Belgium for this AI conference and I learned a lot from them. And somehow we lack a lot. We are so backward in a way that AI is still far ahead to what we are thinking. And the tab, as I said, is necessary not because of luxurious thing, but it is necessary to each student. As nowadays everything is online. As you have seen, even during the COVID also, the students were still studying, they're still going to school, that is online. So this is a must. This is much required for our students. And what I've learned, I'm just sharing with you, that the AI has become such a big impact in the whole of the world. And what they have said also is only benefiting only the big tech, which means the big technology, those big guys, those big companies. Now it depends on us how we control ourselves to use this kind of technologies.
This shows Government of Meghalaya's vision and commitment for not only just thinking about school and education in conventional terms, but also right now in the present digital age, it is very important to bridge the digital divide. And especially in our district, East Jandil Health District, there are many schools, many localities which are still very remote, and the access to education also sometimes is difficult. So with this scheme, we hope that all of you will be able to access whatever things are available online, as we have seen, especially after the COVID time. The education sector, education scenario has completely transformed. We are in the era of education tech now. most of the content, most of the things that you need to learn, explanation. Many times you can communicate through online classes as well, learn from online classes. And then this tablet, this student digital aid mission is not just for your curriculum only, but you can learn many more skills. You can know about the world, what opportunities are present there for you in future, what are the careers you can look up to, because you are now in class 11. After 1 year, 2 year, you will be going into college. So this is very crucial time for you to decide about your career in long term also, because not everyone will be having the same kind of interest. So someone may be good in something, someone may want to learn some new skills. Many times for those kind of skills, educators, teachers, trainers are not available at your village level, at your district level. So with this digital, this tablet in your hand, the whole world is in your hand. You can access anything you want, and only our request and our expectation from all of you is that you will use it in a productive way, because technology many times is a double-edged sword also. You can use it for good purposes, and you can waste many times, most of the times you can waste time